Hey, nigga, call my phone so she could grab it.
Oh, I got you, nigga.
Hurry up, dog, before she comes.
Coming, Jaylene.
Yeah, nigga. Pick my phone up, dog. Nah, let me.
She went, hello. Well, hey, come outside, bitch.
I know she's gonna pick it up. She don't say who it is. I should have my purse around me though. Real shit, motherfucker.
Hey, my phone is lost, so
Why you said that?
It really was lost, and I never changed it. But it's good because
Melissa was talking, I was like, Melissa, oh my God, Julie, all right. My phone is lost. Her phone's lost. I'm like, how the fuck you know? She's like, because it says it when you call.
that's funny.
And I'm like,
You're ratchet.
You're
ratchet,
bougie
bitch.
ass.
You pussy ass.
Bougie, you bougie.
What's up? We think about going to scores.
She don't work there no more. Dog, let me pick my nose. Oh shit, I'm sorry. Damn, your daughter's here too.
Mm-hmm.
Oh god.
You know, so high. Why she didn't stay with you and Jamie?
damn, man, you trying to give them everybody.
Might as well.
I got to though. I ain't trying to get no kid.
We still put the baby because on Mother's Day we still had to take care of the
Yeah,
babies.
yes, we did.
We should have done another girls' night out today.
Yeah, but we went to sleep late as fuck last night.
Oh yeah.
And then I had to go to the ER.
Me
was so
too.
tired.
I was so tired.
I only had 2 hours to sleep.
I know, and I'm like, the baby is like, he starts crying, I'm like, and I'm like feeding him with my head down, like knocked out.
Oh, girl,
Did your
when I
parents
tell
get mad
you.
yesterday when you got home, Melly?
What time did you get home?
I think like 5.
Damn, bitch.
Yeah, man.